congratulate the police, the way they carried out the systematic investigation and in record time arrested all the 3 accused. We are very much apprehensive because we have come to know that one of the 3 accused is a hardened criminal carrying a reward on his head. He was involved in a double murder at Indore in Madhya Pradesh and also a rape. And this hardened criminal is very closely linked to a very powerful legislator from Madhya Pradesh. And you can imagine that in no time the Madhya Pradesh police are believed to be on their way, or they must have already arrived by now to take custody of the accused. For all the good work and hard work and systematic work done by the Goa police, the MP police will take him. And with political pressure, tomorrow the case will be weakened. So our demand is that he has to be tried here, whether it is, because our demand is setting up of a special fast track court.
आम्ही कॉमन मनशांनी खंय वचपाचें, आम्ही आज टॅक्स भरता आमची सेफ्टीक लागून, वालोर दिता पुलिसांक की तेंच्यांनी जे 3 आमचे एक्यूज आसा तांकां धरला म्हणून, पूण फुडें तेजो गव्हर्नमेंटान आयज आमची गव्हर्नमेंटाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसा की तांकां जे एक्यूज आहा तांकां भायर वचपा एम्प्टी व्हरोंक दिवपाचें न्हू आनी गोंयानूच करपाचें. आयज खूब अनरेस्ट आसा आनी भुरगे जितले रागार जाल्ले आसा. हांव एक गव्हर्नमेंटाक सांगपाक सोदता जर तेंच्यान ताका एम्प्टी व्हरोंक दिलो जाल्यार आमी आख्खें गोंय बंद उडोवपाक आमी फाटीं सरचे ना. ही वॉर्निंग आसा.